nigga really want. Come through like the 1st and 15th of every month. Get the fucking job done. What's the outcome? It's not a problem. How many niggas from they set can see us? Not one. Vehicles with every option. High as fuck at the opera.
I ain't one of them under they breath mumbling, scared to tell them hoes what it is. Coach flights, long nights, fast the way I live. Marriott's where I sleep, I'm never at the crib. In the snow, fucked up the show, SFO hopped on the flight. Dropped the bag up in sex, my nigga Dub got me right. Long sleeves down canal, driver look like Wanda Sykes. I missed the never miss a dinner, po' boy, add the Sprite. I got gas, Arco, Shell, Texaco, I'm nice. I'm Joe Horn, running plays, in the know ya, I get to it. Locked in, crowd surfing, at my shows I go stupid. She want me to buy bags and trick off, I can't do it. Best out the West since easy, I'm dedicated, Lil Weezy. I'm psyched out like Yeezy, came from the mud like Peasy. I used to have nothing, now I got everything, Young G. Time that bag lane, I get the dancing like Chris Breezy.
T-tops in the roof, 2 woofers in the trunk. All the nigga really want. Come through like the 1st and 15th of every month. Get the fucking job done. What's the outcome? It's not a problem. How many niggas from they set can see us? Not one. Vehicles with every option. High as fuck at the opera.
Strike it from the record is what my lawyer told the judge. Nowadays these niggas do anything for a buzz. Staying like a beat rich crip, I got a buzz. Really him in these streets, somebody where I'm from. Talking big dog status, no playing with it, we stand with it. All black currency G style, now that's the business. Counting up digits like that shit on the dash. Mine's digital, 2 years home, I'm on they ass. Don't tell me bitch, sell me credit that to the acorns. War going on outside, no man is safe from. Money in the safe tucked away, that's for a rainy day. Pray to God every night, hoping he take this pain away. Cartel meets, talk to pulling the mill a day. Rosarito slides, meetings at Hong Kong. You listening to a dome, my business I stand on. Long Beach nigga, I'm bigger than King Kong.
T-tops in the roof, 2 woofers in the trunk. All the nigga really want. Come through like the 1st and 15th of every month. Get the fucking job done. What's the outcome? It's not a problem. How many niggas from they set can see us? Not one. Vehicles with every option. High as fuck at the opera.
Weekend in New Orleans.
Whoa, whoa.
Snatch a nigga out the coop.
Like a renegade. These niggas scared, I can tell I intimidate. One in the head when I spit on the interstate. Bitch on the head, hunch your tail, niggas get in place. It might be head, might be tails when I feel. And I can tell what I said made you feel away. And I can tell shit been said since I've been away. Don't nothing come before the bread like a dinner date. It might be head, might be tails when I feel. For my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my, it's for my hood, it's for my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my, it's for when I walk inside the room, I might take over this bitch. I been dancing with the devil, I might tango in this bitch. Got a magnum on my hip, just like Django in this bitch. They barking up the wrong tree, I might hang them on that bitch. I go many rows with the stove, on the seat, windows tinted, too many foes. I'ma see where your mom, where your fam stay, up the street, where your job, where your girl stay. I'ma see. No, I don't give a fuck about no one in this bitch but us. I'm from outer space, bitch, I'm an alien, a visitor. See my dog, be a better leader when he kick the cup. See my dog, empty out the heater when he lift it up. Great cool, you gon' hear screaming from a distance, huh? Same truth with me, when you see us, ain't no switching up. Same suit, I know when they treat a little different. I seen strange fruit, I'ma take that Nina through the trenches. Like a renegade, these niggas scared, I can tell I intimidate. One in the head when I spit on the interstate. Bitch on the head, hunch your tail, niggas get in place. It might be head, might be tails when I feel. And I can tell what I said made you feel away. And I can tell shit been said since I've been away. Don't nothing come before the bread like a dinner date. It might be head, might be tails when I feel. For my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my, it's for my hood, it's for my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my dog, it's for my, it's for my hood.
They my dog, hit the stand, don't tell it all. We got the trap like a concert, pack to the wall. I still got niggas look up to me even though they talk. I took it to the trenches, said I got a
nigga if you clutch. I ain't saying fight my battles, you ain't gotta be my crutch. Tell my mama that I love her, I don't do that shit enough. I'm with bro, wait. I'm with bro in the cut, I love the hood, you know I'm stuck. Wait. I worry about this shit tomorrow, why the fuck you acting sus? Wait. Call me lacking in the party, swear to God I can't sit up straight. Wait. It's something about the hood, I love it, I ain't going on, I'm stuck. Wait. Oh man, yeah. Pick me up when I get stranded and I'm trying to find a way. Super chips have been a sandwich, cause it's shit you can't escape. Know my heart can turn to rock, so I don't take that shit for granted. Shout out Bree from the that little bitch that did me scandalous. You know I done been through hell, huh? I'm going through it, I can't hide it, you can tell, huh? Come hold me down, cause I keep running from myself, huh? Let you hold my burdens, it'll probably tip the scale. Let these niggas to the well, that just open up my floodgates. I come from the mud, we to hit me for the updates. I say free my nigga, if you know my insecurity, just keep it on the hush. If you hit me up at 2 a.m., you gotta let me fuck. Be the driver when I'm slumped, be my nigga if you clutch. I ain't saying fight my battles, you ain't gotta be my crutch. Tell my mama that I love her, I don't do that shit enough. I'm with bro, wait. I'm with bro in the cut, I love the hood, you know I'm stuck. Wait. I worry about this shit tomorrow, why the fuck you acting sus? Wait. Call me lacking in the party, swear to God I can't sit up straight. Wait. It's something about the hood, I love it, I ain't going on, I'm stuck. Wait. Oh man, shit. Sheesh. She gon' play me, got this feeling in my gut. Damn, I'm paranoid as fuck. I've been chillin' in the hood while the coppers pull me up. Damn, they always on my nuts. Damn, the hood ain't got me stuck. That little bitch had did me She gon' wait till I get bracken just to try to hit me up. I'ma do 100 miles till I leave her in the dust. That little bitch had did me That little bitch had did me That little bitch had did me Be the driver when I'm slumped. Be my nigga if you clutch. I ain't saying fight my battles, you ain't gotta be my crutch. Tell my mama that I love her, I don't do that shit enough. I'm with bro, wait. I'm with bro in the cut, I love the hood, you know I'm stuck. Wait. I worry about this shit tomorrow, why the fuck you acting sus? Wait. Call me lacking in the party, swear to God I can't sit up straight. It's something about the hood, I love it, I ain't going on, I'm stuck. Wait. Oh man, shit.
I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, so much drive, now I gotta get a chauffeur. I can make money from the comfort of my sofa. So much drive, now I gotta get a chauffeur. One day I'll be big, but I know I'm getting closer. Call me Denzel, aka Big O. The world in my hands, cause I took it off your shoulders. Money on my feet, you know I got the shit from lower. I'm ballin' like Mike when you see him on a poster. Like, yeah, they gotta get one in my holster. Straight. Fuck around and catch a hot one to your temple hold. Ain't shit changed but the number on my front door. Fuck around and catch a hot one to your temple hold. Got a new chain, what you think I brought the strap for?
Ain't no beating me, I'm pressing likes. Money, dick, and dollar signs. No, you ain't gon' say it, blow your top, let's see what's on your mind. Ex nigga, let him go, cause how you roll like every time. 50 on my chest, I got like 40 on my penny line. If he said I did him dirty, sorry, but I needed mine. Doing crimes, he gon' do it for me, cause I'm super fine. Undermine, cooking bitches up, I'm eating every time. Get on your grind, bitches couldn't see me if you all combined. Huh.
Fuck around and catch a hot one to your temple hold. Ain't shit changed but the number on my front door. Fuck around and catch a hot one to your temple
chain, what you think I brought the strap for?
Fuck a new chain, I got a new house. Oh, that's your boo thing, she need a new mouth. I flashed the gold fangs, that's just my root canal. Every time I get dressed, I gotta move my bounce. Shut up now. No easy get full of them niggas, my bulletproof vest is made out of chinchilla. Walk through the trenches, no need for the hitters. I flip a little milli, I caught me a villa. Diamonds and silly, more ice than vanilla. Got on Ricky Wood, but take a banana. Walk on my section, you need an umbrella. Got this shit lit and we never gon' let her.
Today I'm just thinking that we're gonna see some upside only because we've done so much downside and we took this liquidity level here, but we haven't taken any upside yet. We haven't made a new high in a long time.
Got a new chain, what you think I brought the strap for?
Hello, new world, all the boys and girls. I got some true stories to tell. You're back outside, but they still lied.
I ain't kicking it with no bitches for the rest of the motherfucking week.
Hello, new world, all the boys and girls. I got some
What's going on, guys? What's going on?
You're back outside, but they still lied. Whoa, yeah. Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top off. Take off them fabricated streams and the microwave memes. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols. Take off the runway. Take off the Cairo. Take off the Sandro Pay. 5-day stay. Take a quarter meal. Hella final. Take off the far flag. Take off perception. Take off the cop with the iPad. Take off the allure. Take off the unsure. Take off decisions I lack. Take off the fake deep. Take off the fake woke. Take off the I'm broke. I care. Take off the gossip. Take off the new logic that if I'm rich I'm rare. Take off the should know. Take off the Doja. Take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer bullshit off and what do you have? You ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs. You stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about? Talk about us. You out of pocket. Who you think they carry up? Carry up us. Get back in pocket. The world in a panic. The women is stranded. The men on the run. The profits abandoned. The law take advantage. The market is crashing. The industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box while they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly. Watching for love. This ain't monogamy. Y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal. Done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change and miracles. I know the feelings that came with burial cries. Bitch, you ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about? Talk about us. You out of pocket. Who you think they carry up? Carry up us. Serving up a look, dancing in a drop. Hello to the big step, but never lose a count. Venting in the safe house. Venting in the safe. Can I vent out my truth? I got nothing to lose. I got problems and pools. I can swim in my fate. Cameras moving whenever I'm moving. The family suing whatever I make.
Yeah, I don't know what the market's looking like right now. On the daily, you'll see that we had a number 2 candle here. We broke down on the downside, but we still didn't make a new low. We have to break yesterday's low for us to do that. And if we were to do that, I would target this low as the next kind of level we would test. But we would have to wait for that to happen. To be honest, I don't really like the idea of trading within today's range. So if we were to do that, then I would like to target all the way on the upside, where it looks like we've gone pretty low, and we will start to go for the upper levels of liquidity right here.
I ain't kicking it with no
That's
bitches
what I
for
would
the
love
rest
to
of the
see,
motherfucking
but the market would have to allow for that.
Aight, I had to fall way before I got it right. Shit. Aight, I took an L the other day, this shit was like, fuck. Just lost to Brody in a dice game. Cry about it. Don't worry about it, shit is life, man. Nigga, don't you leave, that's on God, give me time, man. Got this little cheese that I'ma pick up from my side thing. Know that I've been big stepping, learn my lesson. If the club pressing, stepping
I'm actually dead tired today, y'all. What's going on with y'all?
Nah, man, shit. No, this bitch ain't hit me. I keep checking. I say, how you love me? Only hit me once a month. Say you love me. Keep me grounded. I've been with it from the jump. I try to bumps. I got bodies in the trunk. All the legends I know made it out of slump. I done tell them like, shit. Alright, I had to fall way before I got it right. Shit. Alright, I took an L the other day. The shit was like, fuck. These niggas ain't nothing. Niggas be bluffing. Niggas ain't tough. They just high as hell. And these bitches be frontin'. Never got money. Girl, you ain't fine. You just high as hell.
Ugh.
Niggas ain't nothing. They be on fuck shit. Part-time hustlers, busters. Shit. Rob a nigga by my lonesome. You ain't really friend of hood until you
We have 5 minutes till market open.
I was broken, still was picky. Let the bitches had a Fendi. Rock with the bitches, oh. She spilled her heart and I chew her like so. I call my hoes, so can bring me more hoes. Don't be sloppy when you lit, bitch. Drop an ash and you get kicked about this whip, sis. Been on my crib shit, 'cause they
What's going on, guys?
had to throw the fit away. If anybody touched me, had to get up in my Duffy. Alright, I had to fall way before I got it right. Shit. Alright, I took an L the other day. The shit was like, fuck. These niggas ain't nothing.
How you doing, Angel? What's going on? I'm doing pretty okay, bro. I'm just a little tired. I didn't get enough sleep. Happy Halloween, dude. I actually totally forgot. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween to everybody. If you guys live in a neighborhood, don't forget candy for the kids and whatnot. Today is Halloween, and then tomorrow's another holiday of mine for Diwali. I did get my costume though. Me and my girlfriend are going to a party. I'm dressing up as Waluigi.
It's nothing new.
That's what I'm gonna be. But I got the hat. I ordered the hat, so I'm gonna go buy black overalls. I'm gonna go buy a purple shirt. So I got the hat being shipped to me today. So we about to, we about to get active. Yeah. I was actually gonna be Mario, but Mario was actually all sold out. So I was like, you know what? Let me go with my man Waluigi, because when I play the games, I always pick Waluigi, so. Got 4 minutes till market open. I already charted my levels. Sorry y'all, I'm like yawning on the mic and shit. A little low energy today. But that's alright. We still showing up. We're still here. I wish I had like an hour or 2 more sleep. I heard Robinhood had a poor earnings, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah. Its earnings was pretty bad. I don't know, the way this shit is moving and it's 2 minutes till market open, I don't know, bro. Like, we need to take something. I wonder if we're gonna break this low. This low is really interesting. I'm kind of like really paying attention to it because this low is also yesterday. Not only is it the London low that was made, it's also yesterday's low. And if I go on the 15-minute, you'll see here, right? It actually went here on Wednesday, so it made this new low, and we didn't make a new low since then, and we haven't made a new high in a really long time. I haven't made a new high since last Friday. Ugh. So I wonder if this market will tap some upside today, because this downside has to be taken for it to really drop. Okay, it's 9:30. Let's see what market does if it approaches this yesterday low. Let's see if it completely destroys it. We're gonna wait for like half an hour today, pretty sure. I don't really want to enter in too early.
Yo, man, we gotta go. Go where? Just get up, man. It's time to go. We gotta go. Alright, man. Come on, man. Get up. I'm up, man. I'm up. Yo. I'm up, man. I'm up. I'm up. I'm coming down right now.
Be anything you want.
Okay. Are we gonna get a close below that low? Y'all, new low has been made at 9:30. Read it and weep. Right here. Okay. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Told me if you trying to make your move, you gotta know your lane, homie. All you got your name, and your words will never break it. For this life, you pay a price, you get a chance, you gotta take it. Cause most niggas never make it. They stranded where I'm from, ain't no conversation. All they understand is get a gun. I was riding in my Bonneville, hoping I could.
Oh my goodness, look at this drop. Look at this death drop.
Police right up the street, way back in the day before I had all of this paper, before I had all of these diamonds, before I had all of these haters. Now I remember when I seen it, and to me it was stunning. Now I remember when I bought it, I ain't need it or nothing. Always in a different state, so now they label me a goner. I ain't come up out of nowhere, I'm from straight up off the corner. Now everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Now everywhere we go, they said how much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money for the ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hate it. Rolling up and celebrate, now let's get medicated. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. Man, let's get medicated. Let's get
Looks like price definitely wants to come below. If you see on the daily now, you'll see this candle, right? You'll see this supercell candle now. Like, this is just brutal. You see here? And this right here, if this closes, if today closes below this low, this is a downtrend on the daily, by the way. So that is something. You know what I'm saying? Wow, look at this destruction. So you'll see that this right here, you see this red line form? That was a liquidity grab right there. You'll probably see price close above it now. Yeah, that was super death, but we really want to just pay attention to how it starts to react to these levels. And this is kind of typical because I didn't expect it to die, so really just expecting price to come up here and start to trade upwards. I think it'll have enough fuel to start targeting other levels of liquidity on the upside. So we will see. We'll just have to wait till 10 really and just be patient and see what the market gives us here. I mean, of course, I would have loved to catch this drop. I would have loved to also probably come up on the upside here too. They look like good setups, but at the same time, we're just trying to follow our rules. So I'm gonna wait till around minimum 9:45. But you know, I pointed this out on my chart about an hour ago, this low, so it's no surprise that we were kind of like magneting towards it, really. And so far, price hasn't closed above that liquidity line yet. It might here.
You are now tuned in to WEED. I am your host, Mr. Easy Rider. You dug? Always rolling up back to back. But right now, we're gonna take you on a smooth ride. Straight out of the 412. My man Wiz Khalifa here. It's something y'all can all sing along to. I be rolling, riding, I'm so fly, I be so high. She say I'm that guy you wanna ride with, like my car get inside it. You excited? I don't blame you. Everywhere I go, all of my hoes act the same too. I don't wanna date you, I just wanna take you home and do something grown folks can relate to. You think I'ma play you? I would hate to, long as you stay cool. You should be straight, boo. Bitch, I'm a straight fool. No, I can't lie. Don't let a day go by where I ain't high. Break lights, that means slow it down. Who I is and now it's about to go down. You wanna roll now? Let's ride out. Right now, I'll show you what I'm about. When you see me in the club, you know I am. But you know who I am. I am. Running up and showing all this love. But you know who I am. Didn't notice it, but now you're going nuts. 'Cause of who I am. I be caking, making all this money. Look, honey, I ain't faking. Say that you're taking, that's cool with me.
This ain't the first time. Bitch, you know who I am. I am. We had a candle close above this liquidity breach. I just want to acknowledge it. You understand? You see how it's now, it was reacted at this level, it came down, and then now it's sort of respecting. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying there? So this right here, we're gonna pay attention to and acknowledge that, hey, there's some new liquidity right there now, okay? That's where the new low is. Hey Caleb, good morning. How are you? We are just chilling right now. We mentioned that there was a liquidity level from Wednesday that actually just got taken just now at that 9:30 open. And so this might be a setup for us where we say, okay, this is a liquidity grab from the downside. We've had a lot of downside and we refuse to make new highs so far. So maybe we're looking at upside at the moment, but I'm just being hesitant at the moment. We did make a new low, which is nice. It's like one part of the confirmation, but we are just watching till 10.
Somebody's supposed to this shit easy. Guess I make it look that good. I'm sipping wine on Fiji. All my bitches needy. All my bitches need me. Bought one of them Birkins. Got the other Speedies. The other one for our birthday. Rented out a tiki. She said if you die then I'm dying, nigga, you not leaving me. Damn bitch for sure. I fuck a white bitch in a day, but I'll only have a baby with a brown one, that's for sure. I've been mixing syrups like I'm trying to cure bronchitis.
Yeah, nigga. The off season, nigga. We off for niggas. Fuck you talking about. Off for niggas. Applying pressure, started my grind with crime festers, and now I'm showing like they in they second trimesters. That's why when niggas throw a shot or two online, I pay no mind to they benign gestures. Nigga, please, I got my mind on much bigger things, to say the least. My latest speeches sound like they was released by David East. Verses hit hard, never pitched hard or played the streets. These niggas whips hard, behind closed doors, can't pay the lease. Ain't nothing wrong with living check to check, cause most have to. Instead of capping,
So, what would be a high probably setup, honestly, if this was like, let's say at 9:45 or 9:50 or something? If an FVG appears right above this London low, like let's say, hypothetically speaking, there's like one FVG that appears like right here. Oh, actually, yeah, I don't know right now if I should take this, but the risk is fairly large here. I could risk it like this, and I could do a long position and maybe risk a little bit. How much is the risk here? 13 points? 12 points? For a trade outside my silver bullet hour and a trade for the upside, even though we're downtrending on all frames. I am deeming that as low probability. But basically, if there's like an FVG that appears above, like right above this line, like let's say like here, it's like pretty good chance that, you know, it's like a nice probability trade. But let's say there's a key level, right? Let's say there's a key level right here, like all the way up here. And then there's an FVG that appears right here. Right? Like prices coming up. Fuck, man. Where is my drawing tool? Okay. So let's say price is coming up and you know it's gonna hit this level, and then the FVG forms right here, and then it retraces, and then it looks like it's gonna give you an entry. You don't take this one because this one can just reverse and destroy you and get inverse filled. So this is low probability. Also, the risk to reward is probably not gonna be that good. So yeah, I'm actually looking for a very specific setup, to be honest. So if this wants to continue to trade below this London low, then I don't know, you know, I'll have to kind of frame it a little bit better. We'll just wait for, I guess, another 5 minutes or so.
On everything I gave everything and got nothing back. Ain't looking for no pat on backs. That ain't how we got where the fuck we at. Mama called me, fuck you at. On the road and I ain't coming back. Into my 100 stacks, make 100 racks, and that 100 racks bring a bundle back. I was blowing gas like the honey badger. J.I.D. bitch, the money snatcher. Say la vie shit, I'm coming after everybody. Don't get the bloody splatter. I'm flying, I got my niggas fly too. Shit is like buddy passes. I wanna cry cause I'm numb inside. If you wonder why, ask what's the matter. Cause I've been working hella hard. Shit ain't really working out. I've been praying to the Lord. Shit ain't really working out. I've been looking to the stars. Keep my head up in the clouds. Shit ain't really working out. Shit ain't really working out. Shit ain't really working out. I'll keep my nigga back. Andrew. Yeah, okay. Shit ain't really working out. Now I got a little bread. Got my niggas working out. Damn, baby, your ass fat shit. I can see you working out. Then you got a new job. Tell me how that shit working out. Heard you doing pretty good, yeah. People talk word about wasn't around when you had the dirty house. Now they won't even you kick them out. These type of people can't stick around. Only down when it's liquor around or the spliff around. That's why I don't fuck with niggas now. Well, I fuck with all my niggas, you know the difference. You been living with tunnel vision. You and all of your friends are like Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman working for a wanting something, searching for a purpose. I see what you want. Difference in how you
New low here.
your gifts in the mix of the shit that you dealing with. Really specific. You pay attention, panoramic. Got the vision like Ferdinand. You attack, you kill it. Sinking your teeth with the venom. Kinda like me with the instrumentals or the pen.
We're gonna wait till this this FVG fills here. Oh, we made a new low.
Closer than you ready for. Obviously, you don't know what's ahead, but that's the reason you can work till you dead. Oh, yeah. Shit ain't really working out. I've been praying to the Lord. Shit ain't really working out. I've been looking to the stars. Keep my head up in the clouds. Shit ain't really working out. Shit ain't really working out. Shit ain't really working out.
Come on, bro. Come to the booty club one time. Throw some of that Dreamville money. Throw some of that Dreamville money at these hoes, bro. They got dreams too, nigga. They got shit to do too, nigga.
Damn, this thing is dying. Today's a death day.
I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system.
Since 8:30, we're just selling. Oh wait, did we have a? earnings report or something like volatile today? Oh. Wow. Oh, the tech, all the tech failed? Oh my goodness. Apple and Amazon have to report today? Oh man. That's why we're dying. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, this candle. Let's look at the 1 minute. Oh my goodness! Just straight selling. Are we gonna tap the next low? Oh my god, look at this. That is the next daily low. We're already tapping it. Yeah, man, wow. Okay, I guess we're gonna go for the next hourly low, which is here. And it's also here, I guess. But god damn! It's gonna take all that shit? Okay, this is the FVG that's formed. Am I gonna take this shit? Hell no. This is such a... This is so large. I would have to risk 40, like almost 50 points for this. I'm good. I'm good off that. I'll wait. You'll see on the 1 minute, there's just like no entry, you know?
Gotta get my hands up on ya. Wednesdays I'm lit with you. You know you're staying over. Thursdays I'm sick of you. I got to get rid of you. Fridays are always the start of the time of my life. Alright. When I get faded, you hate it, but baby, it's gonna be alright. Alright.
On the set like I never left. I'm taking steps to be the best, so they lay me to rest. VVS up on my chest, it got them deep.
Damn, what a beat, what an instrumental.
I want them see us. Cause if I paid enough, them fuckers better see me coming. I used to drive my mama bucket right around front on Snyder Avenue, building number 3400. I gave this shit my all or nothing, now my bank busted. I'm living plush, new crib, cost a million plus. 6 figures on every art piece that's hanging up. You little niggas still spending on the obvious. And if you think I'm flexing now, just wait till I be up. And just to sum it up, we shining all year long. When I was coming up, they tried to tell me that was wrong. I had to run it up, and now I'm right where I belong. And for my niggas dead and gone, I gotta carry on. I pray the Lord have mercy on the niggas' soul. We reminisce like it's all we know. Take hollow tips and extra clips everywhere we go. Cause I be taking risks every time that I hit the door. Pray the Lord have mercy on the niggas' soul. We reminisce like it's all we know. Take hollow tips and extra clips everywhere we go. Cause I be taking risks.
I mean, we are just like straight dying since 8:30, bro. While this is fine, it's cool. I'm okay with it. The movement is nice. It's so far the market has not provided a decent entry for us. I understand there's a million FVGs that was made just now on the 1 minute, and then there's this one giant ass FVG that is fine, but I don't want to take this. I don't want to risk 50 points.
nobody know. Every punchline a chin check and a body blow. With all disrespect, you niggas still ain't fucking with me though. It never was. Every time they thought they had me down, I just leveled up. They all fraud. I'm from Brooklyn. I rep Brooklyn. They kill pigs. Y'all niggas is killing us, and you fucking. This world is about money. Money revolve around money. Just pray the Lord have mercy on the niggas' soul. We reminiscing like it's all we know. Take hollow tips and extra clips everywhere we go. Cause I be taking risks every time that I hit the door.
Hey, motherfuckers. Joey Badass and Joe Smooth, bitch. We talking New York, Brooklyn, motherfucker. Joey's the illest motherfucker doing this rap shit. You dig?
There's a giant FVG right there. And then inside there's like a bunch of FVGs on the 1 minute if you see. So what would be the best FVG for you to enter on the downside? Let's say it would be right here. And I'll tell you why. So this is the first FVG made, right? And so the risk is so little, right? But also you get the added bonus. You get the added bonus of it being inside your 5-minute FVG. So it's either you get the perfect entrance or you immediately get taken out, which well you'll only risk um like I'll show you, I'll tell you right now. You're only gonna risk 24 points. I don't know if that's correct. Hold on, let me see. This is the where you're entering. And you know what? I guess it is 24 points. So it is a little bit risky inherently, but I would still take this over this regular 5-minute FVG. Just because all you have to do is come outside the FVG, and then you're automatically at a 2-0. So I think it's a pretty decent trade. Regardless, the risk is kind of high, so we'll see how this sort of reacts here.
I'm smoking my own tree. I'm a Harlem nigga. If I'm attending, I'm gon' flee. You whack, you popping, you hating. You own 3 now. Flying through pussy like D Brown. Fast break off a rebound. She let me slide in an old school Mustang. She treat me like crab legs at a mukbang. She like to rock my hoodie, feel like she styling. Pretty bitch, might take a trip, fuck on the island. She dramatic every time we do it, sound like she dying. Hop out the pussy and get back to the assignments. They just make clever captions.
It's not even 10 yet, so just chill out.
These days rappers seldom be rapping.
Uh-oh, that might have been the entrance right there. If this doesn't make a new low here, you see this? Like this needs to make a new low, right? Because this needs to continue the downtrend. You see what I mean? It needs to continue the downtrend. So it needs to make a new low for it to continue the downtrend. If it doesn't, then it's not a super good entry. I didn't enter anything, by the way. I'm just saying that could have been what it is. You know that this first FVG could have been it. And we're not even at 10 yet, so we're gonna wait till 10 o'clock to see if these FVGs actually get taken. Okay, we at the 10 now. Let's take a look at where the 5-minute candles form. I don't want, you know, I don't really want to necessarily enter here unless it's super high conviction, but the reason why I don't want to enter here is because we could still take all these FVGs and come back down. So I'm like, don't really want to manage that trade. And let this be a lesson for some of y'all that, you know, if you don't like something, then don't trade it. You know what I'm saying? I'm already telling you guys that I don't really like what I see right now, even if we go more down, just because there wasn't a really good entry for me. I guess there was one technically, this one minute candle, but I didn't want to take this at the nearest FVG. I wanted the FVG over here. The reason is I can hug the edge of the 5-minute FVG while also taking entries off the 1-minute FVG. So that is more ideal to me. That is like inherently less risky and way easier to manage.
I done made it up, I done made it out, I done made a way. We've been making waves, we've been making sounds. Rappers sell the fake, they paper mache like pinata. They can't wait to break. I came in the May, promise mama she gon' see the day when we all okay. All it really take is time and dedication. I pray for the hunger to be permanent, no matter what that make. Hey, better swing big with the batter for the cake. Nigga, keep your head on the swivel. Trouble looking around the corner, run up on you any minute, you'll be gone. I know niggas dead out of desperation. R.I.P. my nigga Allen, damn, I wish you would've stayed at home. Learn to make the best out of shitty situation. No complaining, no more Xan, I leave the medicine alone. Dog, I swear to God that I'm changing for the better. Fuck whoever got the nerve to try to tell me that I'm wrong.
I don't know what it is, man. I don't think I'ma be here that much longer, man.
Hmm.
Man, something's following me. Something want me dead, man. Pray for me, please.
Hell, when I was young, I ain't had to pop no guns. Nothing cracking in the slums you couldn't handle on your own. Shit around my block where we used to knock couple souls fly. Wasn't nothing like you guys, what y'all on. Shit, it wasn't nice, wasn't paradise. Wasn't like back to back, meaning nights was on our own. Mama had to work, Papa had 3 jobs. No, we not Jamaican, my sir, but we always robbed. Shit, they kept my head on the weeping bob. I'd rather be dead than to weep and sob. So we solved any major problem with the quick resolve. Had to swap circle that big job, let's get involved. Neighborhood on lock, fuck, we need the cop. That was way back.
Fuck, we need the cops.
Left us with a needle and a jump shot. Need to count in seconds on the fingers through the gunshots.
Nigga, keep your head on the swivel. Trouble looking around the corner, run up on you any minute, you'll be gone. I know niggas dead out of desperation. R.I.P. my nigga Allen, damn, I wish you would've stayed at home. Learn to make the best out of shitty situation. No complaining, no more Xan, I leave the medicine alone. Dog, I swear to God that I'm changing for the better. Fuck whoever got the nerve to try to tell me that I'm wrong.
Nobody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant lips. In fact, I'm down in this. You say with my boo babe tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your Westie world with my base stuff. Ooh, that pussy good. Once you put it on my taste buds. I get way too crazy once you let me
Damn.
pull up on your block and break it down. We playing Tetris.
Shit, sleepy as fuck. Okay. I guess we got a new low there.
Sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro with your pride. Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks. Still take you down right on your mama couch in polo sock. Hey, this shit way too crazy. Hey, you do not amaze me. Hey, I blew cool from ACA. Obama just page me. Hey, I don't fabricate it. Hey, most of y'all be faking. Hey, I stay modest about it. Hey, she elaborated. Hey, this that great poupon that
Liquidity grab or new low. We'll let you be the judge. We might have FVG form. We'll see where this closes at.
Way, pick it up, way, pick it up, way, pick it up, way, pick it up, pick it up. I don't want
Okay.
got new bitch ain't
We'll have to
thinking new whip got flick it up, flick it up, flick it up. Nigga blow sick ain't sick enough. Got new bitch ain't thick enough. Till I drop down then pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Nigga came way up now. Hold six like touchdown, get hit like diamonds, bust down. I bust down, I bust down. Caught niggas stealing my stuff now. I can see me and a lot of these niggas. Shit start feel like us now way. Niggas so focused, head on straight. No new friend, nigga dead on way. Hoes on Ray Charles, treated like baseball. Knock it out the park, then slid on safe. Knock it out park, then slid on home. These no fly, can't do no wrong. These niggas gossip, I just want private. Came from bottom, I just want lobster. Need my mama up in the bins, no stress, no problem. Nigga talk shit, no comment. Niggas ain't really did half the shit to rap about. Nigga, you ain't never caught no bodies. You ain't never sold no drugs. You ain't never popped no mileage. You ain't never wait. If I really said everything niggas ain't did, I be ain't shit. You niggas ain't shit. Came from the basement, glowed up, smoking on steak shit. Roll up, niggas got capes on. Hold up, stop saving hoes that don't wanna be saved. Coming up as a kid, I was trying to be Jay, I was trying to be Ye, I was trying to be Wayne. Now kids say they trying to be Reason. Feel good.
Okay, so we got that new low, right? We got from here to here. We got a new low. I want to see what happened if you took an entry here. Did you already get a 2-0? Oh no, you didn't already get a 2-0 yet.
I got at least infinity flows, abstract, asshole, infinity stone, in game.
Oh, actually,
big fangs, incredible bark, big
you would have to risk this much. You actually did get a 2-0 already. Nice. Your 2-0 would have been wow, it would have been right here, and then you would have just had a new low, and then that you would have been good. It's possible that that setup already did happen, you know what I'm saying? That FBG did happen real quick. We'll figure out and wait right now. Okay, here we go. I took a late entry here, but I'm gonna risk this right here. Obviously, I'm not gonna risk that much. I'm just gonna risk above this candle here. I'm gonna go for, I guess, the next level of liquidity here. That should bring me more than 2-0. So yeah. If price comes above here, I am out, out, out. The reason why I'm taking it is because there's a 5-minute FVG that formed. I'm taking that first 5-minute one right here. It's small, but it's there. I could be in profit soon. Okay, I'm in profit. Done. Done, done, done. I just executed. Perfect. Right here. Almost 3-0 here, but I got out at over 2. I got out right here. 2.3. Success. Did y'all catch that drop? I just picked up a quick 2.3. That's what I'm talking about, actually. That right there, that's sexy. That's sexy. And we got the tap right here. You see this? This is the next liquidity level, and we breached it already. That's beautiful. Easy. Easy 2-to-1 in like literally a minute. Or maybe 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3 minutes. Let's go. Let's fucking go, guys. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna chart. Are we gonna copy that chart? Are we gonna say we killed it? Patience pays, guys. Patience definitely pays. Comment, like, subscribe, all that. All that. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding about that part, but I'm not kidding about this journal entry. I had a late entry and I still got 2.3, so I'm pretty happy. we'll put this right here. Nice. That was like clockwork, to be honest. Oh, I'm glad we got a silver bullet entry today. I didn't think that would happen. I honestly didn't think we would get one. I wasn't expecting it, but it was just there. And if you see, guys, it's very tight. It's very tight. But you know what? That's the ones that I told you guys I really like. I really like these ones because the risk is so little. I don't have to sit here and risk all the candle here. I can just risk the top. You know? So, um, you know, when I see that, that's when I'm like, yo, that shit is valid. And then on the 1 minute, if you can highlight that on the 5 minute, you'll see how many times or how long it approaches this. I'll draw it out for you guys. So this is gonna be the 5 minute, right? Or sorry, yeah, 5 minute FVG. And so once you see that 5 minute FVG, you can go on the 1 minute, and now you can see how there's multiple taps. There's multiple times between. There's like 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, 4 candle, 5 candle. So you have like 5 minutes to make an entry on this candle. Do you see what I mean here? And you'll see how my stop never gets stopped. You know what I'm saying? Candle don't close above my stop. It does close above it on the 1 minute, but it's okay. It retraces right after. So that's why you have your stop on the 5 minute. You consider your stop on the 5 minute instead of the 1 minute. But the thing is, once I saw the end of this candle, right at 10:05, that's when I was like, okay, it's easy for me to get an entry, and then I got a late entry. You know what I'm saying? So there you go, another silver bullet. Give it to you on the silver platter. What the actual fuck is this? Part wolf? What the fuck? This should be like, yo, I think I need to make a course, and I think this needs to be the cover. Like, this is so fucking hilarious. And look at this. Look at this on the. Look what happened. You're gonna get stopped here now if you were to hell hold it.
Addicted to dry plump. These bitches ain't shit, and pussy is my greatest vice. I love smoking weed. I hate advice. I know some niggas that talk good. The wise men from a long line of bitch made and bridesmen. You never had nothing but fucking dreams. You just caught up in the hype. The fashion is so it seems the limelight. I know that I rhyme tight. No need for your 2 cents and burning your blueprints. These people think I really give a fuck about the shit they give a fuck about. Just need a moment of silence. Just close your fucking mouth. Infatuated with violence, gun in my fucking mouth. So you don't know that I'm serious, know what I'm talking about. Like, you got punchlines for days. It's so generic, you float. You too cold, your A's. Like, you got punchlines for days. It's so generic, you float. You too cold, your A's. Yeah, and I'm so misrepresented by niggas that claim trill and they souls was never in it. Like, yeah. And I'm so misrepresented by niggas that claim trill, they souls was never in it. Like.
Now, something that I want to mention that is that if you were actually on an options account, and let's say you took that trade on an SPX or a SPY, you actually would have made way more profit because the speed at which this dropped would have made your contract so volatile that if you were able to sell fast enough, you actually would have made more money in options than futures. Fun fact. If you were to day trade 0 days, that is. So you guys also acknowledge that you guys see how I keep my profit, like taking plain and simple. Like what I do is I target the next level, the next key level of liquidity, next obvious level of liquidity, but I stop myself, or I just don't let price come back above my 2-0, right? My 2-1 ratio. Sorry, I keep saying 2-0, but it's actually 2-1. But you know, my 2-1 risk to reward. So like every time it goes 2, I just have my hand on my stop, you know what I'm saying? Or I'll put in a stop order. For now, I'm just doing it manual so you guys can see on my screen and stuff, but if I wasn't streaming, I would just really like, how can I say? I would just like be putting in my stop orders and just leaving my screen. Also, I still didn't get stopped out here, by the way. If you see how powerful my stop is. That's when you're Neo with the levels, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is that, you know, I could have held a little longer and definitely gotten to 3, more than 3 risk to reward, but I just don't let myself even hold or even chance myself to this, because we know that it's gonna come to the key level, but we don't know how it's gonna react, right? So that's always the thing that can turn against us. So that's why we just need to be taking profit, compounding, stacking, and you know, this is like the second or third day I've shown you guys successful setups. So very nice week so far. I might not even trade tomorrow as well and close it out there because tomorrow's a holiday. Tomorrow's Diwali, so I might just chill out. We'll see. It's not a bank holiday, by the way. It's just an Indian holiday. I'll probably run this stream for, I don't know, 10-15 more minutes. I'll probably close it out at 10:30. I got my, you know, I got my silver bullet 1 and done. I am expecting at some point all this upside liquidity does get taken. I don't know when I could expect it because we are not green on 1 time frame. So that's what's really stopping me from looking for upside right now, is because I could definitely trade upside and we can trade these pops like how that happened, but I don't know how long that pop is going to last in a downtrend, do you understand? So if I were to acknowledge levels or FVGs that are bullish in a downtrending environment, that's automatically a red flag. That's like pretty low probability conditions you're already setting yourself up in. Not saying the trade can't happen, but what I am saying is that if it's low probability, I bet you can't take it over and over and over, you know what I'm saying? So that's my point. And it looks like this FVG, this 5-minute FVG has been taken, and now it's gonna come back up to the upside, so yeah. I'm glad, dude. I need to take a nap, bro. I'm glad we just wrapped up the trade in like 4 or 5 minutes.
Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey, that's the perks you get from being super dope. I be feeling like it's me against the world, but I can give a fuck who my opponent is. Niggas asking why I dropped the YBN, I had no other choices, we ain't owning shit. And all that janky shit, I'm not condoning it. With a couple niggas, I got a bone to pick. I'm on some movement shit, y'all on some moment shit. But I'll be here forever, y'all can go and quit. We had bad bitches in a new Bentley. Just re-up that new stimmy. My brother counting them blue Benjis. Only feel good with my crew with me. Like, whoa, they try to question my character. Young, rich, and black, they hate me in America. We some real niggas, don't fit the criteria. Don't like your vibe, not allowed in my area. I entered this game and I came here to change it. Big my belief, now they calling me dangerous. Taking a throne and I'm gonna maintain it. I gotta go down as just one of the greats. So anybody got a problem with me, can't fake, kick it, fuck your politicking. I ain't worried about it, I know God is with me. Your peace of mind is worth $1.50. But last year I made 7 million, didn't have to do a single fucking show. Should I told my niggas up at Coca-Cola for the check that cut me at the Super Bowl? On my life moments is a Super Bowl. My nigga Dr. Dre, he got a Super Bowl. Last night I was texting Jack Dorsey, that's the perks you get from being super dope.
Smoking out the bag, I got cash, I don't need the flash. Hop up off the plane for him, bitch, for my autograph. Brand new ones, by the others, put the motherfucker in the stash.
Hopping off the jet, more money to invest. I love to have fun, business never neglect. Niggas know it's the gang, they never disrespect. $250,000, I put that on my neck. Wanna come at my ride, you better come correct. My niggas down the slide, I put that on the set. No fucking up the vibes, good cush in the air. My hand is on her thighs, get money everywhere. Conduct myself like a player. Niggas saying what I should do, but I don't give a fuck, I don't
Get
care.
some rest, brother. I definitely will.
Pound of kush, you won't see me without it. My weed is the loudest, and I put that on game.
The reason why I'm tired is because I wake up a little bit earlier every morning. So I woke up at like 6:30 a.m. and then I took a Chinese lesson at 7:30, and then after that I walk my dog and I pull up on stream. So the mornings are always busy for me.
I get my weed from a dude that look just like me. Locks long, big crib for him and all of his seeds. Rolling trees in my car, spill some nugs on my seat. If you walk up in my closet, a lot of J's for my feet. Lot of Chucks too. Wanna kick it with a real nigga, so she come through. Her friends say she having fun too. I don't blame her. Let them get as wild as she want. I don't tame her. You can smoke this J if you want. A lot of some good vibrations. My back rough like vacation. I put you on a first name basis. Got you tied up, no laces, no lames over here, all game. Never trying so yeah, nigga. That's how you know we gon' keep smoking. Why y'all niggas joking? Fuck wrong with y'all, man. It's 2021. Never shot poet. Get your paper up. She left you, now she feeling it. Somebody tired of talking, we living it.
Kendrick made you think. She my number one.
I've been doing that preply. Oh yeah? What language are you taking?
Tap in.
It's pretty fire
Straight up.
if you get a good instructor.
I ain't seen you in a minute, I kinda miss your voice. I know you tryna move on, but know that I'm that boy. But I keep more than one. You know a lot of shit changed. You could've been my one, but now I'm married to the game. Saturday night, did the Daytona rolling. If you got time at the 10, slide over. You can always hit me when you lonely. Rug costs a lot, hit it with the club soda. Dealing with some shit, but you knowin' I'm a soldier. Bounce back every time, name a nigga colder. I don't give a fuck what a nigga
Sheesh.
talking about. I'm coming through clean in this
Sheesh.
80 for this rolling. Yo nigga still tripping
Some
off
powerful
me,
selling
yeah,
going on
just
today.
that little nigga that mean you just homies. Pulled up in that black thing looking cozy.
So you'll see, like every time this thing has a key level today, like it reacts, right? So we broke this key level, we got a reaction. We broke this key level, we got a reaction. We broke this key level, we got a reaction. What's gonna happen when we break this key level?
Check it out, you looking sexy and shit. You should really It's the reason why you always hit me. Quit playing with it. Jumped in the drop, bust the move real quick. Brand new
Ooh,
outfit with a
this
smooth
selling.
bitch. Had to take a couple calls on the way to this meeting. Don't trip out me, just know that I'm eating. I don't take breaks, love, I ball all season. Thicker than the motherfucker, feeling like I need it. What's happening? You know I just touched down in Cleveland. Yo,
New low again.
took your purse back on some cheap
New
shit
low of the
that's
day.
petty. Choose up, beta game heavy. Equinox Hotel, pull up when you ready. Came through looking so good, I wanna taste it. Take that shit off, baby girl, I'm impatient. I've been thinking about you. Yeah, yeah, you should slide through.
I've been thinking
about you. Yeah, yeah, you should slide through.
Alright, I'm probably gonna wrap this up in like 5 minutes or so, y'all. Looks like a sell day. A sell that sells.
The dope is dope, you smoke, gon' get you a whiff. Watch how these niggas flip the script with the flick of their wrist. Southern lyricists don't exist like my flow is a myth. Get my girl angry and pissed and give that pussy.
Alright guys, I think I'm going to wrap up my stream. I've pretty much done what I needed to do today in the market with this first downside here, this first 5-minute FVG. We slapped that shit for 14 points, so I'm happy about that. I will catch you guys later. Probably not tomorrow, but next week. I probably will trade. Maybe I'll trade tomorrow, depending on how the earnings are. For the other two companies. But for myself, like, I don't know if I'll stream. I'm just gonna be Diwali tomorrow, so if I do stream, probably be very limited. Similar to some of the streams this week. So that'll be that, guys. I will catch y'all later. Just remember, turn notifications on, subscribe, do what you need to do, because I am gonna be reducing the spam in the Discord. That's all I can say. I have to install like some kind of bot that automatically does that for me, but I'm not gonna be tagging everyone anymore. So that's all. I will enjoy my weekend, and I hope you guys have a good weekend as well. I'll catch you guys. See ya.